fresh off the cut. Mama who, mama what? Take a 40-ounce heart to the gut. I'm the one, so call me the devil. In the club with a sharp ass stiletto. Y'all getting large, no house is larger. I'm in the hotel trying to find my charger. It's another hot summer. She gave me a peck and then let me tongue her. Love it, man. I'm with my dame, young and dumb with real good brains. In the club eating steak and ostrich. Smoke weed and get more hungry than a hostage. I've been hard since the very first demo. We came up with no problemo.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm from the farm, with 700 elbows in the barn. Party with those drug smugglers. Is your enemy a dick sucker?
Fuck. I just ate 3 Campechano tacos. And that's like meat mixed with spicy chorizo. It's got onions and peppers and cactus and all kinds of weird shit. And I poured red hot sauce all over all 3 of them. And that was one of the most powerful, fragrant burps I've had in a long time. It fucking made my eyes burn. Rugby.
Man, these fools don't wanna see me. Smoked out like an Indian chiefy. We put the hunters and her cousin in my TP. Talking about how they love some baby BC. While I'm fucking on the street like a cheat cheese. So high, everything looking 3D. 3 so got your boy a little freaky. 4 G's to the wee wee sleepy. But I'm just saying though. Outsmart the diggy. Them dope house boy about the bones like busy. I'm a grizzly. So call me the also pushing that candy. Vanilla and a
Red Dead Redemption 2. I know it's a little late to get on the wagon, but literally on the wagon. See what I did there? But got it when it first came out. Got about halfway through the game. Got my save deleted. I never played it again since, so it's time. Did Hard R, the Hurricane, did Afro, the glass bottle.
If you don't wanna give me no love, check it out, man. I don't give a fuck. Like a rose muffler. On you a 40-ounce chugga lugger. Is your favorite actor Danny Glover? Do you smoke?
Oh. Now I have a thing for 40s in clear glass bottles. I don't know why, because they seem to taste better out of the brown, and we all know the sunlight thing affects the flavor and the aging of the beer. The brown glass protects the, should I say, malt liquor the best, but I think the clear glass is just iconic. It looks cool. You can see the beer go down better. That being said, malt liquor, label off. The wet black, back from hell, fresh out the motherfucking crack hotel. The young nigga knock a nigga out quick. Yeah, I heard a new jam called we bouncing. With the Mexican sipping on medicine. I accidentally shot an innocent pedestrian. Never did shot my hand on the Ruger. Pushing nigga had me pushing up Petunas. Look at all these surrounding me every day. I just